Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jotech AI agency where we show how to maximize AI tools for your brand, for your business, and for your daily life, right? So in this video, I'm going how to access no-code AI tools for free, all right? And today I'm going to be specific on Grok because if you're someone who wants to venture into image and video creation with Grok AI, then this tutorial is basically for you, right? Because I'm going to be doing this with my smartphone and everything. Okay, so you know how, like, if you want to create an image or a video with Grok AI, you just need to like go over to the app and yeah, just click on the app and then put your prompt and everything and you'd get images. Okay, let me just run something here. Woman shouting at sun, right? So you can see the templates of the images that Grok AI has given to me. Okay, I think I prefer the other one. This seems better, right? But if you want to get access to videos or quality videos with Grok, you're going to have to get the pro version, and that's the essence of this video. I'm going to show you how you can be able to access Grok AI for free. Okay, so go over to your Chrome browser and click on KIE API. You can pronounce it as KIE or Kai, whatever it is you want to call it. I've just opened mine right now. Okay, go over to your Chrome browser. You can rewind this video if you didn't really get the process. Just go to your Chrome browser and open up KIE API. If you open it, you're going to see the interface would look like the way it's shown on my screen right now. Okay, now when you open it, you just get started. It's very simple. Normal email verification process we know when we want to open apps and websites, right? You would put in your email and then they'll send you an email, and then so if you look here, you'd see Dance is here. You see Nano Banana Pro. You can access Nano Banana Pro. There's one 2.7 here. Okay, there's Dance. As you show, there's Quen. You can access Quen image for the version 2.0. You can access OpenAI. You can access Gemini 3.1, even Kling. OpenAI's, you can access so many tools through this KIE API. All right, some of them you'd have to pay, but for this one we're using Grok. Okay, it's Grok AI we're trying to access, right? So yeah, and we're going to be making use of the text to video aspect of Grok AI. So let me show you now. Once you open it, you open the platform and you see Grok AI. Click on Grok AI, Grok image creator. Click on it or tap on it or whatever. So once you tap on Grok, right? Yes, over here you'd see all the things you have access to. Please hold on a little. My network is just delaying unnecessarily. I don't know why it keeps going back. Yeah, I'm logging in right now. Just hold on and give it a little. It's probably because of my network, because Grok does not take time. Okay, it has opened now. Grok doesn't take time, I promise. So I promise it's my network that is doing this. It's going to be faster from your own end. So when you want to start, you have 3 credits available for you. Okay, so once you put in your prompt, you're going to get the video that you want. If you want to get consistent characters, you have to go to Whisk AI, like I'm doing it right now. You have to go to Whisk AI. I've spelled it out and you see it on the screen. Once you go to Whisk, you'll be able to create a particular image that you will use for all your videos. That's how you can get consistent characters for videos, or for movies. If you watch these AI movies that people post on TikTok, the way to get consistent characters is that you will use Whisk to create that image in different angles, right? Just like I'm doing now. You see this image has different angles. I just put in the prompt a prince and a girl, and probably I'm going to make a video where he's going to be telling the girl that he wants to marry her and everything, a prince and a maid, right? But in the case of Grok AI, I'm going to be using the text to image, but I'll also try to put this and see what it's going to give me for the image to video. So let's put in a prompt now. A prince walks up to the maid and says to her, "Ada, you're the one I want to marry." Yeah, that's it. Not other girls. So let's run this and see how it goes. It's generating the video for us now. Okay, it's generating the video and it will be available soon. Grok AI doesn't take time, I promise. So even using it via the KIE API, it's also going to be very time effective. So let's just hold on a little. It's generating a video for us. I'm scrolling up and down to actually find it, but I know it's going to be around here somewhere. Exactly, this is it. Generating content. So I use text to image. I didn't use that image I generated from Grok. I'm using text to image to just show a sample of what it's going to look like when you're generating the image. Let's play this. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? Did you just see that? Okay, let's try something else. You can rewind if you want to see the prompt I used to create this video. Okay, it's just a sample of containers opening up and a couple of doors opening up right to the right one by one randomly and staying open. And just, you can copy. I'll drop this prompt in the comment section in case you want it, but I just wanted to do something more cinematic and this is what it gave me. Okay, so isn't this amazing, guys? Isn't this amazing? You can be able to create text to video UGCs. You can create them here via the KIE API instead of having to go through Grok, because Grok is now paid. You can use this API to be able to access it. I'm going to try out the Nano Banana one, and if it works out, I'll also let you know in another video. A small box on a table turns into a car. Let's see how this would work. The car rotates. Let's see. It's going to generate this one for us. So remember, it's 3 credits they gave us, so you can be able to create at least 5 videos, 5 short form videos with the use of those 3 credits. Yep. This can be used as an advertisement for a car. Okay, if it's a car industry or a car company that has given you the project to create an ad for them, you can use this. Go back to CapCut and edit it a little bit more. All right, add good sound, and if you watch, it's giving us the perfect sound. Can you see that, guys? Isn't this amazing? So the Grok AI that we thought we'd have to pay for, we can now access it for free on the KIE API. All right, yeah. So if this was helpful to you in any way, don't forget to share this, because a lot of people are having issues accessing Grok. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I have a whole lot of goodies coming up for you. All right, thank you. Know the people that are watching my videos, and I'd want to know you on a from a closer range. Okay, so please indicate in the comment section your name and where you're watching from. You could also go further to tell me what you do, so that way I would be able to know how I can help you and how I can serve you better. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye.